remember, don't get your finger in between the pulley and the belt.
I'm not gonna try
in case this thing slips on me or get that gumball out of there.
There you go.
Well, Junior's got the right idea. Like as you straighten it out, it should untwist itself. That one's hard to do. You don't. I know. Just give it a.
Oh crap!
Man, y'all got dirty before school.
I know.
That's all right.
All right.
We got some fast orange. Welcome back to Markham's Motors. Today we're having another homeschool class. How to troubleshoot your lawnmower belt coming off and your blades not turning. We got Cam and Leland today. They're going to learn how to work on a lawnmower.
Yeah.
We were mowing, the belt blades just quit moving, belt's loose. We got to find out if it's broken or just off track. Hit a pretty good stick and not sure what happened yet. Boys, let's get these covers off.
All right.
Get that Milwaukee busy. I think you had a good idea at first. It's not broke there.
Lord have mercy.
Well, that's what happens when you hit sticks.
So you don't think we'll have to replace it?
Why do you think you and Leland spend so much time picking up sticks in the yard?
So this doesn't happen.
That's probably enough to make it jump off.
Yep.
I don't see it broke. Boogum, put that back on over there. First thing. Will it?
Yeah.
All right.
It's a little loose.
Yeah.
I might need to tighten the belt.
That's kind of weird. Huh. Well, you can't
it's
really...
off,
You can't... Oh, it's off over here.
Oh, it is.
See if you can make it get on.
Oh my goodness.
Right. Good news is, if it's tight, then it's probably not broke.
It's not broke.
It just got popped off.
It did just get popped off. Yeah, we might need one of those little... Never mind. Lil, what are you doing over there? It's fixing it.
He ain't doing that.
Dang.
Oof.
Something else fall off?
No.
It got loose all of a sudden.
All right, so the motor drives this belt.
Yeah.
So we need to look back there.
Make sure that ain't messed up.
Right. I got you a pad lay down on. Good light here. Boogum, you can get down there.
Yeah.
Follow that belt back. Yeah, it's off back here, ain't it?
No.
Is it on? No, it is off. Look.
Oh, it is.
See where that gumball's stuck in that pulley right there?
Oh, wow.
Yeah, get that gumball out of there.
There you go.
Right. Okay, Cam, go pull it off of one of those pulleys up there so we can get it on here, and we'll muscle a belt up there, okay?
All right.
Yeah, get that out of there, Junior. That's a briar. You better be careful.
Dang.
I was trying to mow them blackberries in the chicken yard.
Yeah.
All right, get that belt on there, Junior. You got it off up there, Cam? All right. Well, hold on a minute. Now, you see that V part? How that's a V and the back of it's flat? The V is supposed to be in the pulley, so it's twisted. Yeah. There. Now, we may have to fix it up front. Yep. All right, that's on there. Now we gotta go wrestle the front. All right, Cam, what happened? It got twisted up.
Yeah.
So we gotta take it off, get it straightened out, because this thing's so twisted up, the back of the belt and the V's aren't all lining up. We got a bad twist right here. Let's just get it off. Junior's got it off back there. You pull it out.
Yeah.
How it goes back in there. Junior, come up here and help him get it untwisted.
To be honest, yeah, it is kind of twisted. Let's see. Checking.
Work over here
Burning it down.
where y'all can stretch it out.
It's looking better, but there's this one spot right here that's twisted.
Mm-hmm.
Which I don't think he really wants to go back in this spot without direct force. I think.
Well, Junior's got the right idea. Like, as you straighten it out, it should untwist itself. That's what we're trying to.
Flip it one more time.
Yeah,
Like
it's going.
this?
No,
Like.
roll it.
Oh, roll it?
Uh huh.
The other way.
Other way?
That way.
Yeah, that's.
So then we were gonna want to have a flat all the way around, right? All the way, flat, flat,
It's a little
flat.
twisted.
Yeah, he's a little
From-
bound up from getting gnarled up underneath there.
Yeah.
Now you're ready to
Bring it in.
put it back, send it in under there to Junior. Is it trying to twist by itself?
Let go of it. No pressure.
It ain't trying.
Not really.
but it-
Yeah,
it's hard.
Just kind of warped.
that's fine. We can just watch it as we're going back. Stretch this out over here. And then Junior, you're gonna send it in
Under there.
under
Or
there.
I can grab it.
Yeah, just like that. Like that. Uh-huh. Keep on going. Keep on pushing it. Uh-huh.
I should be able to grab it.
Yeah. You need a light back there.
I got it.
You go ahead and get on your pulley first, okay?
I'm gonna need you to go back a little bit. Okay, that's good.
So this has got to go on the inside
Yeah.
of this guy.
Yeah, sorry. Bunch of slack back here. Oh, yeah. And then those will go like that.
You're on?
Yeah.
Now, just start with one side. Route that side first.
Let's see, it says go like that.
The back of the belt goes against this flat pulley right here.
Yeah.
Then over there around that V. And the V's got to catch. Right?
Yeah.
Then the back flat hits this guy.
Hold on, it's getting loose in there.
I'll hold it for you.
Thanks. And then
Flat.
flat, and then
Around that V. That's a V belt.
yep. Hold on, let me got a 33 here. It's getting loose.
Mhm. Work this slack right here. Use that. So you see the spring?
Yeah.
That's called your tensioner pulley.
Yeah.
It's the one we're gonna have to loosen to be able to get this belt on.
Yeah.
All right. As I pull this guy, you're gonna try to wrap it around this belt. I'll pull this, Ken. I think I was.
You're gonna pull it, and then you want me to wrap it around?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Don't get your finger in between the belt and the pulley. It'll pinch you. Hold on.
Hold
I gotta
on.
let it off.
Yeah.
Whew.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll go on the other side and push.
That might be a better idea, too.
Just remember, don't get your finger in between the pulley and the belt.
I'm not gonna
In
try.
case this
to.
thing slips on me or whatever.
Hey.
Slipped on me. That ain't gonna work.
Yeah, that ain't gonna work.
Finger.
I got halfway in.
Let go. So we've got it halfway in. We'll just try to turn it right like
Yeah,
this.
turn it.
See there? You turning it
Yeah. Yeah.
back in. Whew. What a
It's like
pain.
two people right there.
Well, it's supposed to have a place where you stick a ratchet to turn this thing.
Yeah, but well, Daddy smashed his pinky. He had to go get some ice, and he left us with this and a dirty mower. So we're gonna go clean it up. Tom, to give this thing a cleaning. Boom, done.
Ah, puppy. Ah.
Oh, we got the covers off. We're gonna grease these deck bearings. No, you're right. This one's cleaner. About a good 5 pumps. Clean that off, Leon. Pretty nasty. For all the mowing we've been doing.
Leland, you hold it on there for him so he can pump good.
Yeah. Thank you.
Mash it down.
Mash it down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You already cleaned that one, didn't
Yeah, it still looks pretty rough.
you? Yeah.
Get that in there. Hold it. He gone. That's all he wants. Alright. Hold it on there. Thank you. It's really important that you do this. Helps things from breaking.
Mm-hmm.
So you don't have to spend like a whole bunch of money replacing it.
So if anybody's got a Husqvarna MZT61 and knows how you're supposed to safely relieve the pressure on the tensioner, comment below. We're always having to use some long tool to manually push it this way. If you tighten this, it just tightens up this junction. It doesn't move this. Most mowers have a square peg in them for you to insert a ratchet and physically move that thing, but this one don't. Y'all let us know in the comments below what we doing wrong and how we're getting boo-boos.
Yeah.
Teamwork makes the dream work, boys.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It does.
Remember, don't tighten all the bolts till you get all the bolts in.
Yeah.
All right.
There we go.
Cammy, Milwaukee is nice, but remember, it'll mash your hand if you ain't careful.
Oh yeah.
These ain't holding the mower together, so just do them kind of decently tight.
Yep.
Junior, you can get that big plate on there if you can. It's a heavy guy. This goes towards the front. Yeah, just like that.
Good?
The bolt, well, you can use that on this bolt up here, buddy.
Yep. Alright. That's good. Is this it right here?
All right, it's another fun-filled day at Markham's Motors.
Yeah.
Boo-boos, learnings. What else can you ask for?
Yeah.
Right.
What we're trying to do is not have to call somebody, say, hey, come pick up our mower because our belt come off. I want them to know how to put a mower belt back on and save $200-300.
Yeah. Yeah. Awesome.
Good job, man. Proud
Yeah.
of you.
Thank you.
If you like our content, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.